Good morning, students. Let's start our today's topic, that is in word processing. The session 2 is inserting shapes, symbols, and special characters. How we can insert different shapes, symbols, and special characters in our document. So let's start working with it. First of all, what are shapes? What are shapes? In your maths also you have drawn some pictures like rectangle, square, stars. What are these? These are the different kind of shapes. So in Microsoft Word, we have this feature. Shapes is a drawing feature that helps you to draw different shapes. Like you can draw stars, you can do banners, callouts, connectors, etc. So we have different kind of shapes in this option, like this one, like this callout, and this is the connector. Now, what are the steps to follow to insert shapes in a document? To insert the shapes in a document, what you need to do, you need to go to the Insert tab. Go to the Insert tab, then in the Illustrations group. Then in the Illustration groups, you'll get the Shapes option or the Shape command. Then you have to click on this. So step 1 says on the Insert tab, Illustration group, Shape command. Then after clicking on the Shape command, this drop down list will come. In this, we have different kind of shapes like lines, basic shapes, block arrows, flowchart, callouts, stars and banners. So you can choose any of the shape from here. So step 2 says left click a shape from the menu. So you have to left click on any shape which you want. So your cursor, when you select any of the shape from here, after left click, then what happens when you come to this area? The cursor, that is this arrow shape, will convert into the cross shape symbol. And then step 3, left click your mouse button and while holding it down. So when the cursor shape changes, you have to press the left click button of your mouse and you have to hold it and drag your mouse until the shape is the desired shape size. So like this. So you have to first go to the Insert tab, Shapes option, and then choose this shape like I did this. Then you have to come to this area. Then what happens? The cursor will change and you have to drag the shape as it comes to its desired shape. So as your shape is drawn, automatically the Format tab appears in this ribbon area. This Format tab contains different kind of formatting features for your particular shape. Like we have Insert Shapes, we can change the shape style from here. You can shape styles, we have different kind of shape styles. You can fill the color in this. So shape fill is used to fill the color. Shape outline is used to provide the outline color to your shape. Change shape means if you want this shape to another shape, you can use this option. You can provide shadow effects. You can provide 3D effects to your shape. So this tab appears only and only when the shape will be selected, like in this. As I click on this, the shape will be selected and the Format tab appears. And if it is deselect like this, then the Format tab will be disappear from the ribbon area. Next is, we can also insert symbol or some special characters in our document. So like we need to insert some mathematical symbols in a document when we type something mathematical formulas. So we need to go to the Insert tab. Again, we need to go to the Insert tab, and on the Insert tab, in the last, we have the Symbols group. In the Symbols group, you will get the Symbol command. So click where you need to click where you want to insert the symbol. Like put your cursor there, and then you have to go to the Insert tab, and then Symbols group and the Symbol option or the Symbol command. As you click on the Symbol command, a drop down list comes and it contains certain symbols. If you want more symbols, then you have to click on this More Symbols option and this dialog box will appears, and you need to click on the you have to choose the symbol from here. It contains many symbols here, and then you have to click to the insert option. Then the particular symbol will be inserted into your document. So this is the way to insert a symbol or some special characters into your